We planned a pizza challenge event, and we got the idea from attending the National Summit last year in Minnesota. We thought it would be fun to give it a try here. Last year we tried the smoothie challenge, so we thought we'd try pizza challenge this year. I worked with the nutrition director to come up with the different things that they could offer.
They had to think about their ingredients. What healthy ingredients can they put on their pizza? And we had mushrooms, we had feta cheese, some more uncommon things we put on pizza. I even saw a pizza plan on somebody's table, so that was pretty cool that they were planning on what to put and how to layer it up, and it was really nice to see that.
It's fun. It does take planning and takes some time and a lot of coordination. So I would suggest that you kind of think through each part of that.
But I think also once we tell the students this is the same pizza crust they use here, they're going to be more excited to eat their school lunch food, to know that I cooked with this and this is what they used to feed me. And I think that connection is pretty cool.